Welcome to today's full body yoga Pilates workout that will tone, sculpt and strengthen your entire body in only 14 minutes. So if you're ready to flow, unroll your mat and let's begin. Come into a seated position on your mat and then fold forward into your Apanasana child's pose. Rest your forehead to the mat and bring your hands forward with the palms facing down or behind you with the palms facing up. Close your eyes and relax. Slowly roll up into your tabletop position and on your inhalation come into cow, gazing up while arching the back. And exhale, gaze to the belly, rounding the spine. Inhale, arch. And exhale, round the spine. Couple rounds here following your breath. Come back to a neutral spine, engage your core and extend your right leg back, toes to the mat. Reach the left arm forward and once you found your balance, lift the right leg up. From there, bring your knee and elbow in, extend, lower the straight leg and arm and lift. Again, bring it in, extend, lower and lift. 3 more. Then hold it. Bend your right knee and then try to reach your right foot with your left hand for a little balancing back bend. Beautiful, now release your knee and hand to the mat and let's go into the other side. Extend your left leg back, toes to the mat to find your balance. Then reach the right arm forward and lift the left leg up. Then bring your knee and elbow in, extend, lower the straight leg and arm and lift. Again, bring it in, extend, lower and lift. Couple more, really working your entire core here. Last one. Then hold it up. And bend your left knee and try to reach the left foot with your right hand for a little balancing back bend. Stay there, gazing forward or down to the mat. And then release. Sit back into your child's pose and relax for a moment. With your arms extended forward, tuck your toes and shoot forward into your plank, aligning your hands beneath your shoulders and using your core to keep the hips lifted. Then sit back to your child's pose but keep the knees hovering above the mat and forward to plank. Back into hovering child's pose and plank. One more time, hovering child's pose. And shoot forward, actively holding your plank position, pressing the mat away while drawing the navel into your spine to engage your core. Great. Then lift up into your downward facing dog. You can pedal out your legs here, bending one knee at a time to release tension. Use your core to lift your hips up high, lengthening the sides of your body and gently draw your chest towards the back of the mat. Keep your ears in line with your arms to lengthen the neck. Then hold your down dog, slightly shorten your stance and extend the right leg back. Bend the knee and pull it high into your chest to step your right foot forward between your hands, feet hip distance apart. On your next inhalation, rise up into crescent lunge, reaching the arms up, and exhale, place your hands to your hips. For lunge squats, extend both legs and then bend both knees. Again, extend and bend. 4 more. Keeping your core engaged will help with balance here. Last one. Come back to your crescent lunge. Inhale, reach both arms up. And exhale, eagle arms, right arm over left. Then lean forward and come into your full eagle pose, crossing your left leg over your right leg, maybe even wrapping your left foot around your right ankle. Focusing your gaze to one point will help to stay in balance here. Beautiful. Now release into Tadasana. Inhale, reaching your arms up, and exhale, hands to your heart. Bring your feet about hip distance apart and sit back into your Utkatasana chair pose. As you rise up, come onto your toes and sit back into your Utkatasana. Again, come up to your toes and chair pose. Do a couple more squats just like this, strengthening your ankles and calves while challenging your balance. Great, last one. And then stay in your chair pose. And from there, release into your Uttanasana forward fold. Ground your hands, and on your next inhalation, come to a straight back, and on your exhalation, step back into your plank. Lift your right leg up. Bring the knee to the same side elbow and extend. Again, knee forward and extend. 2 more. Stay in your plank and let's float out. Inhale, shift forward and exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog and exhale, downward facing dog. Beautiful. This time, extend your left leg back, then bend the knee and step your left foot forward between your hands. On your next inhalation, come into crescent, reaching your arms up. And exhale, place your hands to your hips. For another round of our lunge squats, begin with extending both legs and then bend both knees to lower down. Again, extend and lower down. 4 more. Remember to keep your core engaged here. Last one. Back into crescent. Then inhale, reach both arms up. And exhale, eagle arms, left arm over the right arm. Start to lean forward and come into your full eagle pose, crossing your right leg over your left leg, wrapping your right foot around your left ankle if that's within your practice today. Good, release into Tadasana and then inhale, reach your arms up and exhale, hands to your heart. Sit back into your Utkatasana chair pose and then come up again, rising onto your toes. Again, chair pose and up to your toes. Couple more. Last one. Then stay in your chair pose and release into your Uttanasana forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold and exhale, step back into plank. Now lift your left leg up, bring the knee to the same side elbow and extend. Again, knee forward and extend. 2 more. And last one. Stay in your plank And on your inhalation, shift forward. Then exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Beautiful. Bend your knees and take a few steps or a little hop forward to make your way into boat pose. You can keep your hands grounded behind your hips for support or extend them forward, and then we'll do boat to canoe. So from boat pose, extend your legs while leaning back and come back into boat. Again, lean back and boat, just 8 more. Halfway there. Great, last one. Hold your boat. Then ground your feet. Straighten your back and very slowly roll all the way down. Hug your knees into your chest, maybe taking a gentle rock from side to side if that feels good on your back. For our reverse pigeon, ground your left foot and place your right ankle onto your left knee. You can stay here or lift the left leg up, holding it with your hands. Close your eyes and relax into the pose. Now release and switch legs. Ground your right foot and place your left ankle onto your right knee. Again, you can stay here or lift the leg and hold it with your hands. Release, and for Savasana, extend your legs wide along the mat. Your arms are resting next to the sides of your body with the palms facing up. Close your eyes, bring your awareness inward and allow yourself to feel heavy on your mat. You're welcome to stay here as long as you wish. If you want to finish your practice with me, start to bring some movement into your fingers and your toes. Then bend your knees and roll over to one side to come into a comfortable seated position. On your next inhalation, reach both arms up and exhale, hands to your heart. Bowing down and thanking yourself for taking this time out of your day to do something for yourself. I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day, and I'll see you soon. Bye!